The hybrid orbitals used by phosphorus in the formation of PCl5 are: in PCl5, central atom is phosphorus. Phosphorus outermost electronic configuration is, general outermost electronic configuration is ns2np3. It is having nd orbital also. In ground state, this is the ground state electronic configuration. So here in ground state, phosphorus is having 3 unpaired electrons in np orbital. But for the formation of the PCl5, phosphorus should have 5 unpaired electrons, because around phosphorus 5 chlorine atoms are there. Each chlorine will form one single bond. But in ground state, phosphorus is having only 3 unpaired electrons. So we can go for first excited state. In first excited state, the electron present in the ns orbital will excite towards to the nd orbital. The electron present in the ns orbital is excited to nd orbital. So now in first excited state, phosphorus is having 5 unpaired electrons. Now these orbitals which are having unpaired electrons will involve in the hybridization. 1s orbital, 3 p orbitals and 1 d orbital. 1s orbital, 3 p orbitals and 1 d orbital intermix to form 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals, which are having equal size, shape and energy. 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. These 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals will involve in the bond formation with 5 chlorine atoms. So the hybridization of the PCl5 is sp3d. So like this, these 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals will form the 5 bonds with 5 chlorine atoms. And here the shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal. Shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal. So here in PCl5, the hybrid orbitals used by phosphorus in the formation of PCl5 are sp3d.